If you have locked your workbook with a password and you have forgotten your password, this is how you unlock it. But before we do that, let me show you how you can lock your workbook with a password. You're going to go to Review on your ribbon, and under Protect, there's this thing called Protect Workbook. I've got another video showing you how you can unlock your worksheet if you have Protect with a password. If you need the link to the video, please leave the request or DM me tip 364. Now let's protect our workbook here. Over here, will come up with a pop-up. In the password, you're going to type, say, ABC, any random password to do, and click OK. You'll be asked to enter your password again. Over here, you're going to type the same password, which is going to be ABC for me, and click OK. Now, I'm going to press Ctrl S to save my workbook and basically close it. Now, if I were to reopen my workbook one more time, you can see that to add a brand new sheet, I'm not able to do it right now because the workbook is protected. And at the same time, if you right click any of this sheet, you can see I can't insert, delete, or even rename my worksheet here. So now if you're in this pickle, let me show you how you can actually unlock it without your password. To start off with, you're going to close your workbook. I'm going to save it. And you go to your Windows File Explorer, and then you're going to change the file name extension of your Excel spreadsheet from xlsx to zip, which is essentially a zip file. And Windows will prompt you saying that, hey, you're about to change the file name extension. Are you sure you want to do that? Over here, you're going to click on yes, and the icon will change into a zip icon. Double click on it, and then open a directory called XL. And then in there, you will see XML file called workbook. You're going to copy this workbook file, drag it to a separate directory altogether because you can't make any edits on a zip file. After that, you're going to open any of your text editor. I'm going to simply use Windows Notepad here. And then in here, you're going to basically drag the XML file into this notepad here. On this notepad, you're going to type Ctrl F to find for a text called workbook protection and hit enter. If your workbook is protected, you should see something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to highlight this less than workbook protection all the way down to this lock structure equal to double quote, one double quote, like this one here, like this. You're going to highlight all the way from there to there and press delete on the keyboard to get rid of that workbook protection element. And then after that, you're going to go to File, Save, and essentially close your notepad completely. Now, this is the file that you've been working and you have to make some changes. You're going to take this change file and drag it back to your zip file. And since that file is already existing in your zip file, they will say, hey, you want to copy and replace it? You're going to say, click on it, yes. And after that, navigate back to where your zip file was. Now, we're going to do a reverse of what we did just now. We're going to change the file name extension zip to xlsx and hit enter. And at the same time, now Windows will say you're about to change file name extension. Over here, you're going to say yes. And then the icon, the file icon will change to an XL icon. Double click to open your workbook. And now you can see that you can add worksheet now. And at the same time, you can delete them, or you can also rename your worksheet, which means your workbook is unlocked.